It is probably the best hike here in Iceland.
We are Yaki and Lucas, and together we traveled along the scenic south coast of Iceland. In just 5 days we drove from Kelavík to Stokksnes and back. On our journey we came across beautiful waterfalls, hiked on the edge of breathtaking canyons, and explored beaches, glaciers and the ocean. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and join us on our adventures around the globe.
What up? Good morning. It's a new day here in Iceland. It was a very, very windy night. But we had it nice and cozy in here. Once again, very, very happy with the decision to change the car. We reached our first destination for today. It is probably the best hike here in Iceland, the Mulgujafoss. So let's see. So let's see if it's as good as the Google reviews are.
As close we got to the top of the mountain alongside the canyon, the wind started to pick up. It almost pushed us over, and things started to get dangerous. But this view at the top was definitely worth the risk.
I think it's now or never for a drone flight. That flight, crazy. So lucky that the wind just stopped and I could fly the drone. Very happy with it, very happy. Okay, now let's get back to the car because it's cold and it looks like it starts snowing. Little coffee break. Absolute treat. next stop, next canyon, we are here at Piedra Gilufur. I have no idea how to say it. I'm sorry, but next stop, next canyon. Let's get out in the cold. To be honest, it was nice, but it's very crowded, very touristy, because it's easy to get. But I feel the first one was a little bit more epic, felt more untouched, and you don't have to pay for parking. Let's move on.
We had one last destination for the day, the Black Sand Beach.
We made ourselves dinner in the community kitchen. Just some pasta with pesto, and now we're chilling in the car and planning the day tomorrow. Originally, the idea was to go to a volcano crater, but because we now got the caddy and not the Dacia Duster, what was a 4x4, we don't know if we can go there, or we know we can't go there because you need a 4x4 to go on the F-roads here in Iceland. So we know just going through the options and planning what we're gonna do tomorrow. And talking about plans for tomorrow, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on tomorrow's video. I hope you enjoyed this series. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and see you tomorrow. Good night.